today I decided to film a vlog because I'm bleaching my hair today. I'm really excited for that, and we're gonna be heading out. I don't know how long this is going to be, but yeah, I'm really excited to do my hair. I first bleached my hair last year in November in Japan with Shachu hair. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you might have seen my video. They gave me rainbow hair and I loved it, but when I got it done, I asked her to stay about like a little over half an inch or about an inch away from my roots, because I was really scared of doing my roots. Like, I was terrified. Like, I didn't want bleach on my roots. But I have a lot of grow out, and I decided to keep bleaching it. I was a little iffy about it at first. I didn't want to go through it. I was like, you know what, I'll just grow it out. I'll grow the bleach out. It was fun while it lasted, but I figured, you know what, my hair's already bleached, why not just go fully blonde? So yeah, I'm really nervous, but I'm excited. I'm mostly nervous because, you know, bleached hair is a lot. It's a lot of maintenance, and so that's why my hair looks a little crazy this morning. It's pretty bad. I haven't washed it in a couple of days, actually more than a couple of days. It's been almost a week since I washed it, and I asked my hairstylist, is that okay if it's like super oily and greasy? And she said it's perfect because your skin is less likely to get irritated, like your scalp is less likely to get irritated. You kind of have like that barrier of your own natural oil. So yeah, that's why I look like a hot mess right now. I haven't even done my eyebrows yet. I just got out of the shower, did my makeup really quick. So yeah, right now I'm just having my smoothie, my breakfast. We're gonna wait a little bit, and then we're just gonna head out and maybe have dinner later. So I'm here now. Jamil is going to drop me off, and he's gonna pick me up later, and yeah. Oh, and by the way guys, Jamil is my husband, in case I haven't mentioned it before. So this is the first time I'm officially introducing him, and I don't know what else to say.
What else to add? That's it.
Well, because I never properly introduced you. I'm gonna edit it.
It's okay.
Why are you so shy?
I don't know, I'm just camera shy, that's it.
He's camera shy.
That's
okay.
fine. Alright, I should get out of the way.
Okay, bye. We're doing the first round of bleach. I look crazy right now. Look at all this hair. I'm really excited though. Alright, so we just got home after doing my hair for 7 hours, a little over 7 hours of color correcting and getting my roots to match the rest of my hair. It was a little tough trying to get rid of some of the purple, and because I had like unicorn hair, there was a little bit of green left over, so that was really stubborn to remove. So I don't know, I feel kind of weird having blonde hair. This is the first time I've ever rocked blonde hair. Normally when I bleach my hair, it's covered with purple or different types of vivid colors. So I've never really worn it like this, and I have to say it's gonna take me some time to get used to it. This is kind of weird for me. I feel so different with blonde hair. I like it. Maybe later I'll add some blue or some other crazy color, because I really like the vivid colors. But yeah, I'm gonna try to enjoy this blonde for now. I'm not complaining or anything. I love it. I actually really like it a lot. I'm really happy with the results. She did an amazing job, and she took her time, and she really cares about the integrity of my hair, so I appreciate that a lot. I also had about an inch of my hair shaved right near the neck area. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So it looks like this. It feels so weird, guys. Whenever I pass my hand or run my fingers through my hair, it catches me off guard. So the reason why we decided to shave an inch off was because I have a lot of hair, and that part of my hair, for some reason, it's really stubborn, and every time I get up, I have like the worst bed hair, and that little area just tends to stick up. Apparently it grows upwards, which I didn't even know, so I wasn't feeling too bad about shaving it off. I was really nervous about it at first, but when she explained it to me, like, okay, you're not gonna have to deal with it anymore, you're not gonna have to straighten it, pass the iron so many times, so that kind of convinced me. And yeah, I'm like super oily right now. It's been such a long day sitting down for 7 hours straight. Past 7 o'clock, we just had dinner. I think I'm just gonna call it a night. I'll probably start uploading part of this video just to get a head start on it, and maybe play some video games to unwind. Hey guys, So last night, we ended up watching movies and I fell asleep way too early. I wanted to keep recording, but I was just really tired from yesterday's hair session. Yeah, I just knocked out. So today is Monday, my off day. I have to get my lashes done this morning. I have an appointment, and what else? I have to train this girl that's actually going to be covering for me for Monday and Sunday and Monday, the days that I'm off. So I am going to be going to work today, and I might be taking my dog because normally Mondays I have them off. He's with me, but he's being really nervous right now. He doesn't want to stay home by himself, so I might take him with me. Who's coming with us? Good morning, Oolong. I'm gonna bring him along with me. Hopefully he behaves. This is actually the first time I'm taking him to my studio, so let's see how that goes. Waiting for my appointment to start. I'm just waiting out here in the car. Leaving Oolong here in the car. It's not hot today, guys, so I don't want to hear it in the comments section. It's actually pretty chilly outside. It's been really cold lately here in Southern California. He should be fine with the windows open, and it shouldn't be more than an hour, so it's fine. After that, we're just gonna go to my studio. We're gonna both hang out with the trainee, so let's see how that goes. Please behave today. Please Oolong. So I just got done doing my lashes. I love them. It's the same length as I had before, just no color this time, all black. And yeah, so right now I'm just gonna head out to, I might go to Salon Centric to pick up some pink hair dye. I think I want to dye my hair pastel pink since we couldn't do the blue. I originally wanted blue, but because there was a little green in my hair, we couldn't do that yesterday, so I might do pink. She said that pink can mask the green, so I'm gonna go buy that, and after that I'm gonna go to the studio and do the training. Oolong's behaving right now. Just hi, we're leaving. My makeup is a little smudged because of the tape that goes underneath my eyes. I know I shouldn't wear makeup before my eyelash appointment, but sometimes I have things to do after my appointment, so I have to reapply after my session, but it's fine. I'm back home now. I'm really tired. Today was super busy. I have a slight headache, but I think that's because I haven't been drinking enough water. I've been that busy today. Jamil's cooking dinner right now. Normally I cook dinner on my off days, but I wasn't feeling too good when I was done at the studio. The dog actually behaved, which was a miracle. That was the first time he had been inside the studio, so who knows, he might go back again. I don't know. A lot of people are asking me to take him into the studio. I picked this up from Salon Centric. I got the Pulp Riot blush. I might be doing this maybe this weekend or next week once I wash my hair, because I don't plan on washing my hair since I just got it bleached yesterday. I probably won't wash it for another couple of days, maybe like 4 days. So we'll see how the toner looks once I wash it, and if I like it, I might not do the pink, but if I don't like it, I'll go for it. I really like this color. It's like a pastel pink. I really like this brand because it fades really nicely, unlike other brands, and it lasts a really long time too. I'm just gonna have a matcha latte for dessert. I really like this oat milk, and this is the matcha that I use. It's from Matcha Lab. It's the culinary matcha. My tea now, so I'm just gonna end the vlog here. It was really eventful, a really eventful vlog. 2 days of recording, just doing a bunch of stuff to myself, like bleaching my hair, getting my lashes done. It's gonna take some time getting used to this blonde hair for sure. Like, I forget that my hair is blonde, so I've kind of been surprising everybody that I've come across. I forget, and they remind me as soon as they see me. It's like a total surprise. So yeah, I'm kind of bummed out. I didn't get to catch Jamil's reaction when he first saw my blonde hair, because Well, it didn't work out the way I wanted to because it was already late. It was 7-hour session. So by the time I was done, it was already nighttime. So I didn't get to record it. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog. I'm going to try to keep these weekly vlogs going. Hopefully I can be consistent. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my artwork on Instagram. I also have another YouTube channel dedicated to nothing but nail tutorials. I haven't posted anything on that one in a really long time. I'm having a really hard time coming up with ideas on what to make for nail tutorials. So if there's anything that you guys want to see, any looks, any designs, any techniques you guys want me to teach or demonstrate, let me know. Or any questions about anything nail art related or nail industry related, just ask me, and yeah, I might do a video about it. So yeah, pitch your ideas to me, you guys. And yeah, I'm gonna call it a day and take a bath and go to sleep and start work tomorrow. Okay, thank you guys again. Bye.